In this video, I'll guide you through how to use an Agoda gift card, whether you've just received one as a gift or you've had it sitting in your inbox for a while. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find it, claim it, and actually use it on your next booking. First, you'll want to log into your Agoda account, open your browser, and go to the Agoda website, or use the Agoda mobile app if you prefer. On the main screen, look for the login option usually found at the top right on desktop or in the menu on mobile. Sign in using your usual account details. If you're not logged in, you won't be able to see or use your gift card balance, so this step is essential. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Agoda home dashboard. This is the main page where you normally start searching for hotels, flights, or other stays. From here, you'll need to scroll down the page until you find the section labeled gift card or gift cards and coupons. Take your time and scroll slowly so you don't miss it, especially if there are a lot of offers or banners on your screen. In the gift card section, you'll see any available gift card balance or special offers linked to your account. This is also where Agoda shows coupons that you can browse and claim. Go ahead and explore what's available. You might see discounts on specific destinations, special seasonal promotions, or general coupons that can be applied to many different bookings. To use these offers, you'll first need to claim the coupons you're interested in. When you see a coupon that looks useful, click on it to open the details. Here you can usually see the discount amount, any minimum spend requirements, and the validity dates. If it fits your plans, select the option to claim or save the coupon to your account. Once claimed, it will be stored and ready for you to apply during checkout. It's a good idea to pay attention to the fine print on each coupon. Some might only work for certain types of properties, specific locations, or particular travel dates. Others may be limited to one-time use. Checking these details now will help you avoid surprises later when you're trying to apply them to a booking. After you've claimed the coupons you want, you don't need to do anything else immediately. These coupons can be used whenever you try to book, as long as they are still valid. When you're ready to make a reservation, start your search on Agoda as you normally would. Choose your destination, select your dates, and pick a property. As you move through the booking process and reach the payment page, Agoda will usually show you any eligible coupons or gift card balances that can be applied to that booking. You can then choose which coupon you want to use. If a gift card balance is available, it may automatically be applied, or you might see an option to select it. Before you confirm the booking, double check that the discount from your gift card or coupon has been applied correctly and that the final price reflects that savings. Once everything looks good, complete your booking as usual. That's all there is to it. By logging in, scrolling to the gift card section on your dashboard, browsing and claiming coupons, and then applying them during checkout, you can make the most of your Agoda gift card on your future stays.